And we are back. Good morning, CSA. Back with the daily dose of a lull with me, and in partnership with the Herald. That's the dream team. That's the dream team because they got dope news. They got amazing news there. And today it's a Friday, and checking the article, there's a lot of missing things. A lot of missing things on a Friday morning. On a Friday morning, it's not just me who's missing things. It's not just not just me. A lot of things are missing. Let's get to it. Let's get to it now. So, this couple on a flight to an international country. It was a international flight. On the way, they well, something happened on the way, but they discovered it at the hotel. When they get to the hotel, they discovered that tennis bracelets and diamond earrings were missing. Jewelry went missing, and it was worth 785,000. There was no sex. There was no love making in that hotel. The moment they realized the jewelry was missing, nothing happened. There was just stress. I can imagine. Your earrings, diamond, bruh, diamond. Other problems, other problems, bruh. And I know, as we have watched in many movies, uh, those are the those are the things they steal. They steal diamonds. You see, the international criminals. We've seen the movies. They love the diamonds. They love. That's why they made blood diamonds. They love jewelry. The thieves, the international thieves are so romantic. They are stealing jewelry. They steal art. They steal things we don't care about here. Here we steal the same thing. We steal gadgets here. We steal phones. My phone is missing. There they steal jewelry. So now the insurance company said, no, we're not going to pay because you did not put the jewelry in a safe. It was not locked away, so we're not paying. We didn't know about that, but at least a goodwill payment happened because they were given at least 135K. Would have been happy. I would have been 135. I would have been happy because the jewelry was not locked away. I'm like, damn. The insurance companies, man, your insurance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's always a story about insurance, always a story. So now the husband is complaining. The husband is complaining about the insurance company. And that got me thinking about a lot of things that have been insured internationally. There are a lot of things that have been insured internationally, like Jennifer Lopez's part. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. The part everyone was talking about in the early 2000s. Jennifer Lopez insured. It's insured. That's it. You can't just hey, insurance. You can't just I think Oprah Winfrey's dog as well. I think of Oprah Winfrey's dog is insured. I don't think insurance will pay if the dog gets missing and yeah, and be found in Motherwell. Yeah, that's negligence. Just like those jewelers. If the dog is not, if the jeweler is not in the safe, the insurance is like If your dog is insured and it happens to wander off and ends up in Motherwell, the insurance is going. The first thing the insurance is gonna say is your Motherwell, because there's a dog right now. There's a dog right now in Kwanobuhle still begging for mercy. Right now, the dog still, because we haven't heard anything about the dog that has been kidnapped, and they're demanding 50,000 to the owner, and the owner is quiet. The owner is like, no, we are communicating with the guys. We are communicating. Sounds like a politician. I dog, you're gonna be free. I'm sure that dog will come back knowing how to listen. Sit, dog, sit. So yeah, jewelry went missing, man. While we are still kidnapping each other here, and there's good news. Good news is the teacher who was kidnapped on Monday. Cause I saw the story. I've been seeing the story. Saw the story on Monday. I saw the story on Tuesday that The teacher was kidnapped. And yeah, man, it was sad. So I don't wanna touch sad things, man. I don't wanna touch them. I don't wanna touch those sad stories, especially on a Friday. So this Friday, she's back. She is back. She's been released. No one knows whether she paid for her release or what, but it's a movie, dog. It's a movie. It's diamonds. It's kidnap. It's a movie. It is a very scary movie in reality. Would have been nice to watch it on TV, but no. I no, we are making our own movies, our own kidnapping movies. Because I've never seen so many people getting kidnapped, including the dogs, bruh. See, please don't get kidnapped. Don't get kidnapped. I don't want duct tapes. I don't know how what these people are using. Don't get kidnapped. So yes, she's back. The teacher is back, and yeah, yeah, yes, the teacher is back. Released, release the teacher, man. Yes, yes, yes. I know a lot of people who hated school and wish their teachers were kidnapped. I know a lot of people like yes. There's that one teacher. There's one that one teacher. Like every morning you go to school, you like you scared. You scared to face this one. You scared. For me, it was the English teacher. Well, the English teacher was closer teachers when they teach English. They're too serious. Uh, Now that the kidnappings are really happening, guys, come on. The teachers are kidnapped. The security guards are robbed. The jewelry stolen. What's happening? A lot of things are missing. Yeah, a lot of things missing. I told you a lot of things are missing, and yeah. So I read that the mayor as well has a bid to write off 2.6 billion due to irregular expenditure. 2.6 billion irregular expenditure. Write off, super written off 2.6 billion. I don't know what a write off means in terms of this money, but I know a car. When a car is a write off, most it is damage beyond repair, right? So I don't understand when a 2.6 billion. What's happening with the two? Hey, yeah. This is too much, man. That is too much. So the 2.6 billion is to be written off due to irregular expenditure. And I read that there's some missing documents as well. You. Not missing money, missing document. Which documents? Talking about notes. Eh? Madibas, which documents are missing? These are big problems. Yo, there's a big problem. 2.6 billion. Oh, ay. Gqeberha. Eastern Cape. Yo. I can imagine the comments right now on the Herald Facebook page. Yo, I know people there on those comments. Damn, I can imagine the comments is there. Yo. This is this one I like. This one I like. Brazil, man. Brazil. You see, that's why I love Brazilians, bro. Brazil, the real Brazil, not Sundowns, the real Brazil. Brazil, the Brazilian captain has apologized to fans, bro. To fans after losing from Argentina 4-1. They got a proper slap 4-1. You understand? So they lost to Argentina, and these are two powerhouses when it comes to football, man. The history is amazing on both countries, but when they lost this week to Argentina, the captain was like, "No, that's what winners do, man. That's what winners do. Apologize. I mean, these people have been champions, and they apologize. As Kaizer Chiefs can do the same, bruh. They will do that every week. Week in apology. I'm sorry. Kaizer Chiefs. There's no apology in South Africa. 2.6 billion missing. No apology. Huh? A dog is kidnapped. No apology. Bruh, I never hear apology. Like, I've been reading the news. No apology. No apology. Guys, I think that's another thing that needs to be brought back. Apology. When, yeah, bruh, you got fans. You got fans. Sometimes Kaiser Chiefs we don't eat. We don't eat because we lost. Not that there's no food, bruh, because bruh, the pain is too much to bear. It's too much to bear. We love football. So big up to the Brazilian captain, man. Apologize, man. It's not too late to apologize. 2.6 billion missing. Apology, guys. Apology. Jewelry missing. Yeah, those guys will never be found. No, no. So apologize. And there's a thing since it's the weekend. There's a thing when you go out to the groove and you step on someone's toes by mistake. By mistake, bruh. The moment you apologize, sorry, Grootman, sorry, Grootman, sorry, Grootman, the Grootman takes that apology and develops superpowers, and slaps you. After an apology, you get beaten up here. After an apology. So if you don't apologize, chances are you might not get into a fight. If you don't apologize, you're gonna act like you want to fight, but none of you want to fight. You know? So I think we need to get back to apology. So this weekend, treat yourselves nice. Please let me not read about you on Monday. Guys, I don't want to talk about you on Monday. Please take care of yourself. Enjoy. I'll be back on Monday. Yes, Rebecca, please take care. Like I mean take care. Because I am reading these things. I am reading these things and yo guys. No kidnapping, no stealing of money, no stealing of money. You understand? Please, please. I'm talking to the ones up there. You.